Okay, guys, one of the very first things I want you to do is to bookmark this website, okay? Because you're going to want to come back to this website because what I'm about to divulge to you guys, what I'm about to explain to you guys is definitely a way for you to lay the foundation. Excuse me, guys, let me close my window. To lay a foundation so that you can create a skill set that you can carry anywhere that you want to go. When you finish going through the videos that I'm about to share with you guys and the information I'm about to share with you here in these videos, in this series of videos, you can take the skill set and you can go out and acquire a skill set based on these videos, and you can go out and market and promote absolutely anything that you want to, guys, okay, on the internet, because I'm going to show you guys how to do it, okay? I'm going to show you guys what a lot of people don't tell you, okay? Oftentimes you see people talking about making money online, making money on home, from home. They're showing you different screenshots, you're excited, but what they fail to tell you is how they're doing it, guys. And I believe that the best way to create the best relationships with people online, to really build long-lasting relationship, is to show people, right, through transparency, exactly what it is that I'm doing, okay? Now, doing this, right, I was able to generate over $6,000 in sales in one single day. My best month to date is over $10,000 in sales, guys, and really, I'm just really getting pumped up and getting really started. I want to share this, so I want you guys to pay special attention, so make sure you bookmark the page now. Okay, now let me say this before I get started. I'm smart, but I'm not perfect. I do these videos, guys, right off the top of my head based on the information and the knowledge that I've been able to acquire over the last 3.5 years. So I make a lot of mistakes, but it's not the mistakes that you want to be paying attention to. It's the content, right? And this is very powerful content. It's worth thousands of dollars. So I really want you guys to get into a place where you're ready, willing, capable, and able to learn some things you never knew, guys, because I'm about to share it with you. Now, guys, when you first thought about making money online, you first thought about, wanting to work from home or even start your own business, what's the very first thing you did? If you're anything like me, you probably went to a place like YouTube, or you probably went to Google. Okay, Google or YouTube, and you typed in, let's go here and type something in. Let's type in, make money from home working. Wait, let's type make money from home on the IETER. I want to make money from home on the internet. Okay, let's type that in. Okay, now you see, guys, when I type that in, what probably happened when you type that in is you probably got a whole bunch of videos that popped up, right? And then your journey began. You went through YouTube or you went through Google. Hey, look, guys, there I am. One of my videos. Just put it up a month ago. I got 26 views on the very first page of YouTube already. Anyway, we'll talk about that kind of thing later. So you went online, you started looking for ways to make money on the internet or make money from home by either Googling it or going to YouTube, and voila, so your journey began. Now, let me tell you about what everybody who populates, when you put that kind of, when you put those strain of keywords into Google, when you put those strain of keywords into YouTube, let me tell you what me and all the other people have in common as we populate when you search for those types of keywords. We are all problem solvers. Why am I talking about problem solving? Because that's the business that I am in, guys, and that's the business that you want to be in. Why? Because every single day, guys, over 200,000 plus brand new people come on the internet looking for ways to make money on the internet, looking for ways to work from home, looking for ways to make money online or to start their own business. So we are in the problem solving business, guys. That's what I do. I solve problems. And by the end of this video series, guys, I'm going to make a problem solver out of you, okay? And I'm going to show you guys how you can get set up with your own digital marketing business, and you can go out here and start solving problems too, okay? And that's one of the most exciting things about learning that skill set that I want to talk to you guys about tonight. So when you understand that you're in the problem solving business, and you understand the power of what you can achieve when you're in the problem solving business, guys, it's going to get you super pumped up, and it's going to get you super excited too. So now that we understand the business that we're in, the problem solving business, guys, let's move on to video 2, and I'm going to show you guys the 3 components of setting up your own problem solving digital marketing system. Okay, I'm going to say that again. In the next video, I'm going to show you guys the 3 components of setting up your very own digital marketing business, your digital marketing problem solving business. That's what we're going to talk about in the next video. So I'll see you guys then. Okay.